Whoa, whoa. Oh yeah, yeah. One time, whatever you want, you can have it. Your faith is a currency, yeah. If it's in your mind, you can reach for it. If you only just believe. If you look into your mind, you can see it. The beautiful thing you created. With faith, you can reach for and claim it. Claim it, claim it. Look into your mind, see it. The beautiful thing created. With faith, you can reach for and claim it. Claim it. Wow. If you seek, then you shall find. Knocking, it shall open for you. Call, then you shall have anything you want. Seeking, you shall find. Knocking, it shall open for you. Whatever you want, you know you can have it. If you believe, it's yours to see. You see, since you believe, it's yours to see. You see, yeah. I walk by faith and not by my eyesight. It's by my faith that I can seek and find. I know my senses may not lead me right, so I trust the one that lives inside. He got my very being. He is my light, he's my everything. The one who created the stars, made the earth, Pluto and Mars. Has the universe in his palms. I put my trust in him. I call on him and he answers me. God of creation, God of salvation. I trust in him. When I seek, I shall find. Knocking, it shall open for me. Call, then I shall have anything I want. Seek, I shall find. Knocking, it shall open for me. Whatever I want, I know I can have it. Since I believe, it's my you see. You see, since I believe, it's my you see. You see, yeah. I work by faith and not by sight. It's not by power and not by might. I work by faith and not by sight. It's not by power and not by might. I work by faith and not by sight. And not by sight. Whoa, and I seek, I shall find. Knocking, it shall open for me. Calling, I shall have anything I want. Seek, I shall find. Knocking, it shall open for me. Whatever I want, I know I can get it. Since I believe, since I believe, since I believe, it's my you see, it's my you see, since I believe, yeah, since I believe, yeah. Oh no, no, I'm sure. So many times I wonder why. Like, why did you choose me? Why would you care about my life? And now I know that I know that I know that you love me. And I'm sure that I know that I know that you called me. Out of the many others you saw me, you called me, you chose me. didn't have to do it all. You didn't have to do it all. And just like a new creation, see, I'm gonna tell the nations, I'm so glad that you called my name. I'm so glad that you love me, love me. Every day you're there when I need your Holy Spirit breathing in me. I know the plans you have for me, so whether it's heads or tails, I'm still winning. You took your blood and covered my shame, and I will never be the same. So I'ma shine bright so the world can see that I'm chosen. I'm chosen. Lord, you got me singing like, Lord, you got me singing like, you're chosen. Lord, you got me singing like, I'm grateful you chose me. I'm chosen. Yeah. I'm grateful you chose me. I'm grateful you chose me. Wonderful Savior, I love thee. I know that you are here. I know that these things, they come and they go. One thing's for sure, that your word for me won't go cold. So I'll stay here with you in my heart, I won't fade, no. I'll keep going strong with my head up, 'cause I know these things will all fade away. I know that they are not real, so they don't fret me now. So I close my eyes and walk through, 'cause I know who I am. All things work together. All things work together, yeah. You're mine, mine forever. You're mine, mine forever, yeah. I know you're here, I know you're here, I know you're here. I know you're here, I know you're here, I know you're here. I know you're here, I know you're here, I know you're here. I know you're here, I know you're here, I know you're with me. No mountain too high that will not comply. No valley too low that will not respond to me. Out of my belly flows rivers of water life-giving, and it is all because
Good morning, gang. Good morning, chat. How you guys doing? Good morning, Jagna. What's up, Sing? Good morning. How you guys doing? Let's see who's in the chat right now. Drop some energies in the chat. Let's go. Drop the energies in the chat. Drop the bomb. Drop the bomb. Let's go, gang. Let's go.
Yeah. First giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call, they still pick up the phone. Yeah. With judgment coming from all angles, I'll never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. Shit, you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push it, still I'd be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped foodie. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out. Blood, sweat,
What's up, gang? What's up, chat? Shout out to 16 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Good morning. Welcome to the YouTube live stream. Let me see in the chat. Who's in the chat here right now? Drop some energies in the chat. Drop the energies in the chat. Give me peace of mind so I can stay focused. Let's go, gang. Give me the faith, Lord. Give me the faith. Help me change lives. Let's go. Ooh.
Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believe. And then you made it real, you gave me everything I need. And all I had to have was the faith of a mustard seed. So the point of this album is to have faith. No matter what field of work you in, no matter what.
Bam, it's all about faith, chat. Faith.
And especially having God in your life first.
Ooh, having God, yes. True that. True that. God first, chat. God first.
I've always believed in myself, and I always
believe in yourself. All right, how you guys doing? Happy Tuesday, everybody. Happy Tuesday. Shout out to 19 viewers. What's up, Wayful Love? What's up, Eric? How you guys doing? How you doing? Oh. Right, the monthly is going to flip now. It's flipping. Would you look at that? It's about to flip. It's about to flip. All right, gang. Let me do the top down today. You guys ready? Let me know if you're ready in the chat. I want to see some energies in the chat. Let me know if you guys ready. I want to see some energies in the chat. The energies, gang. I need some energies today. We need some energy so we can grab some trades today. What's up, Race? How you doing? Good morning. All right, chat. Let me do the top down here. So the weekly candle is about to flip, right? As you can see, the weekly candle is about to flip. Um, this weekly move 5,000 pip already, 5,700 pip, right? 5,700 pip, and it's about to flip. We still have 3 days and 14 hours. There is a high chance that we can flip bearish, right? Like this. There is a high chance. But let's see. Let's drop down to the weekly. Okay, the weekly is pushing down really heavy, huh? Right? Resistance. Support here on the weekly candle, weekly time frame is here. So the overall range is this. As long as there is no bullish candle that close here, there's no range that created here, right? So right now, this is the overall range I need to look for, the weekly. It's bigger range, right? From 3350 to 3929 or 4K, let's say the 4K, 4100 there. Let's drop down to the daily here. So we re-break the previous candle low on the week, right? So there is a high chance that we can push down even further. So the daily, let's drop down to the daily here. So resistance create. We have the levels that we need to be aware of on the left support. Oh, the daily didn't close below, chat. No closure below shore here. So in this case, if there's no candle that closed below the range, you know what will happen, right? So let's see if we're gonna have some rejections right now on this price, because we don't have any um closure below, and the candles moved 1,000 pip already. If we're gonna drop down to the 4-hour time frame, let's see if we're gonna have some. Okay, so resistance, I'd say, yeah, this is the previous market structure, right? So right now we have resistance here. Okay, so support is here. So there's no closure yet, right? On the 4-hour time frame. The 4 hours still have time, still have 1 hour and 10 minutes for candle to close. So the next levels that we need to be aware of is this. It's just a minor levels that we need to be aware of on price here. And otherwise, this is clean traffic towards to the downside here. But I don't know if we're gonna fill the range because the daily candle didn't close below, right? So this daily can close probably I'd say didn't close below. This daily current candle can close probably doji today, like this, respecting again. So, or if there is a lot of volume, yeah, it can rip down heavy, right? To retest this low 3850 area. So, but yeah, no closure below. I'd say, yeah, we need to see some rejections here to take some buys, because yeah, the 4 here, no closure too. On the left hand side, there's no closure. We respect their support here on the left hand side. This is the structure, right? This is the structure that you need to be aware of. So no closure there. The 4 is still open. 1 hour and 9 minutes for candle to close. Okay, early candle are rejecting on the support level on the left hand side. 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes is flipping. Okay, let's see here. Chat on the 30. Yeah, this is support that we need to be aware of. We have a support here. Right. So we have support there, rejecting there. So resistance is above here. Let's see if we're gonna have some counter trend today. Counter trend trade. because we're rejecting here on the 3921 area. Let's see. Oh, the 15 re-break the high. Okay, we need closure here. We need this 15 to close bullish. Take buys up, retesting the high here. So that's the plan. We re-break. This is gonna be a nice structure, but we need at least bullish closure here. At least like that in 8 minutes. In 8 minutes, gang. So yeah, that's my level so far. So we are pretty bearish on price here today, but I need to be aware of this daily candle. Didn't close below. So yeah, I'm open for buys and I'm open for sells too. I'm pretty bearish this week, chat. I'm pretty bearish, okay? But yeah, for me, I'm open for buys because I need to see if we're gonna have some rejections. If not, if we're still pushing down, yeah, I'm not gonna take that any buys today because the candle will tell you the story all the time. So let's see in this 30 minutes candle how this 30 minutes candle close. You have clean traffic going up. So yeah, it's London session. I believe we have volume. We have enough volume. It's Tuesday, so yeah, let's see. Damn it. Give me a second, chat. Any questions, gang? Any questions? Drop it in the chat. Shout out to 22 viewers right now. How you guys doing? The 4-hour move, how many pip? Oh, 585 pip. 5 minutes for candle to close. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Chat, any questions? Let me know. All right, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Four minutes and 30 seconds here. Damn. Yeah, we're gonna use the 50 current candle. Oof. Oof. We're gonna use the 15 current candle low. Yeah, 60 pips stops. Doo-doo, doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Oh, yeah, 1 hour opening candle. Yep. Yeah, will give us volume on that 1 hour candle. But we need to see this 15 close bullish. At least like that. Otherwise, the 30 minutes didn't won't follow here. So the 30 gonna close. We need closure like this on the 30. So the 15 can close bullish too. We need that. This kind of closure, I don't like this. Right? We need at least like this. So 15 can follow through. Do-do-do-do-do. 1 minute chat. 1 minute. Do-do-do. Yeah, we might close. We might close Doji. All right. Closing Doji, gang. What you gonna do now? Yeah, no good. Nothing here, chat. Um, yeah. I don't want to chase this move. I need closure like this on price on the candles. So this closure right now it doesn't look good. The body is little because I'd say we have exhaustion week here, right? This is the exhaustion week. We reject, we re-break the previous candle low and then trying to move up here. So for us, for me, enable for me to take buys, I need to see at least this kind of bullish candle to close. A little bit of big body there, right? And then wait for the bottom wick. Probably the entry here is flip of the candle or re-broke the previous candle high. Entry here or here. So yeah, that's gonna be the idea, right? And we can put the stops on the 15 minutes candle low. This 15 candle is really good. stops here. Yeah, 60, or we can put the stops on the support, 40 pips, 38 pips stops. But it didn't happen. It's okay. Right? It's okay. We need to wait. Wait. Waiting game on the next candle. Damn, look at that 15 here. It's okay. It's still early today, chat. It's still early. Waiting game, waiting game. Waiting game. We got some trades yesterday on the NY session. We got some sales there, chat, on the NY. I believe you guys got some sales yesterday. Got some sales. Wow. W risk. W. W. Do, 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 do. Mm-hmm. All right, re-broke the lows again. Re-broke the lows on the 15. Yeah, we don't have any rejections yet. We keep pushing down here. We keep pushing down. If this 15 kind of close, probably doji, bearish like this. Yeah, we might have some buy stop on the re-break of the high. It's an impulse entry on the next 15 minutes candle. Let's see here. Liquidity grab, liquidity grab. Chat, any questions? Let me know in the chat. Mm. 6 minutes for candle to close. 6 minutes for candle to close. Still pushing down here. Heavy. We might see some drop. 1 hour clean traffic towards to the downside. Yeah, man. 3899. We might see 3899 here. If we're still pushing down. Mm-hmm. Yeah, 15 clean traffic is here. Once you rebroke this. All right. Rebroke the lows. We might see some spike down. Spike down. Four minutes for candle to close. Yeah. See, look at that. That's why I don't want to take buys because of this. How they can't close, right? Body is small. 30 minutes. Body is small. Yeah. Three minutes for candle to close. Pushing down heavy. Damn. 2 minutes for candle to close. 2 minutes. We are pushing down. Re-break the low. We see some pops towards to the downside. You're gonna see some pops. All right. 30 minutes re-breaking the lows too. Oh, late. Man. Oh, the buyers getting clapped today, huh? Would you look at that? The buyers is clapping today. Fifteen seconds here. Oh, might close no bottom wick on the 15. No bottom. No bottom wick. Bleeder. Bleeder. Wow, can you look at that? How the 5 creating structure here. Or let's see on the 15. So you guys can understand market structure. See, look at this. Oh, let's start from here. 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 Right, look at that. No bottom wick. Damn it. No bottom wick. Well, we re-broke the lows. We move a lot here in the early time frame chat. So, man, I don't want to take sells here on the low here. Right? Right now I need to wait for retracement. Probably Retracement like this. More tapping this. We have a lot of volume in the London session today and yesterday too, but the setup didn't show up, right? No setup, no right setup, no clean setup. Price melting starting 9 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, nothing here. Nothing here, gang. Do you guys got the trade already? Chat. We got the sells here. We got some buys. We got some sells. We got the trade. Let me know in the chat. Ooh, that's the break. All right, that's the break. That is the break. Mm-hmm. It's a clean range now. Yeah, sometimes if there is a clean range on the left hand side, sometimes this clean range there's no chance to be filled today. Sometimes, but let's see. It's almost see, look at that. Almost filled the range. Almost filled the range. Right? 144 pip more. Almost filled the range here. Still bearish, heavy bearish. I'm heavy bearish on price, but I cannot take sells here onto the um downside. I don't want to take sells here on the rebreak of the low too. Right? I need to retrace. I need to wait. I need to wait here. Yeah, sometimes it happens, chat. Sometimes it happens. And sometimes some of the people don't show up because we're melting. Some of the people don't show up because they take L's already. Some of the people don't show up because they overtrade already. Some of the people don't show up because they lose already. Some of the people don't show up because they want to make money. All right, can we feel the range? Holy man, we're melting, huh? See, look at that. No bottom wick. We're still melting here. 120 pips move. Would you look at that? Um, I'm gonna stay steady today, gang. I'm gonna stay composed. I'm gonna follow my rules. I'm gonna follow my plan. Oh. Chad, don't try to force any, any trade. If it's not part of your plan, don't force any trade, okay? Yeah, we have volume. The market's really looks good. We're pushing down, right? We're probably preparing for the next wave to take buys. So yeah, I mean, don't force any unnecessary trade every day. Don't force it. Don't try to make money in trading. Don't try to make money, right? The money will always follow. The money will always follow, right? Once you have the skills, money will follow, gang. Money will follow, right? So yeah, stay steady today. Stay steady, stay composed. No need to force anything today. It's really hard. It's really hard, to force any. Once you broke your rules, once you broke your plan, you know what's gonna happen, right? Once you broke your plan, then you take the L's, psychology, emotions are really pain. It's really painful. But once you follow your plan, taking L's, it's okay, right? As long as you follow your plan there. That's the idea. That's the real deal. Once you follow your plan, taking L's, you're gonna adapt to those L's. But once you didn't follow the plan and then you take the trades, you take L's, and damn. It happens to me. It happens to me. How many times? When I start trading, 1 year into trading, I still didn't follow the plans, follow the rules. Damn. The market slapped me in the face how many times, and I'm always asking myself why I'm losing the trade, why I'm doing this, because I don't have any discipline yet to wait for the right setup to come. So I'm gonna ask you, what you guys need to learn more? Like, if I'm gonna make a new content, what what content do you like to see me doing? Let me know in the chat. Wix, what's that? Please explain to us the rules again. The rules. What do you mean rules? You need to have your own rules. You need to have your own I mean, if you guys if we are having the same strategy, I'd say the rules will apply every day. You need to set a plan every day. Set a plan, follow the playbook, right? The rules is there already, the playbook. And psychology, I'd say the psychology, you need to figure out that because it's all about the perspective, how you're gonna show up every day, how you're gonna have a routine, how you're gonna have a discipline, waiting for the right setup to come, right? So yeah, you talk a lot about the Wix and other educators as well, but more if I understand to how to read the Wix, different candlestick formation, etc. Okay. So right now, I'd say example of the Wix. So let's say we are in the bearish trend, right? We are in the bearish trend, and we have say like this kind of Wix on the left hand side, and we form a new support form here, right? And we know that we are in the bearish trend, okay? And the price moving down, let's say the candle closed below the range. Now you have a range, right? Because wick is equals a range. This wicks, right? This wicks is equals a range. So now you have our new resistance form. The support is there. The candle closed below the range. So you have wicks on the left hand side. This is your advantage that the next candle will push down because you have wicks. It gonna be fill. It called the wick fill. Wick fill. All right, makes sense. See, look at this. Look at this wicks on the left, right? We have wicks, and as you can see, this candle pushed down, filled the wick on the left hand side. That's called wick fill. So yeah, makes sense. And look at this. Resistance there, support, and then the price moving down. You have wicks on the left. Now it's gonna be a wick fill. Right? It's all about that. You have a wick. Most of the time it happens on the it depends. I'd say it depends, right? It depends on the market structure. So let's say let's have a look on this. So you have support here. You have a huge wick on the left hand side here. See, you need volume, right? Resistance again, support. So this kind of volume is an impulse volume, right? And as you can see, we have wicks on the left, and we know that we're pushing down. See, would you look at that? This one, right? The wick fill, clean range to the downside. Yeah, sometimes it happen, but sometimes it's not because you need to follow the market structure. Because I'd say once you have wick fill and then you have a strong support here, let's say strong support here, the price is always bouncing on this support. You need closure. You need closure below to take the cells to get the wick fill on the left hand side. That's the advantage. That's how I play. I play with the wick fills. Wick fills, right? So yeah. Then we're pushing down here. We are pushing down heavy. 12:30. Okay, 12:30 open. Yeah, close below the range. We can see the price gonna move down on the next range here. On to the next range. So you always need to look on the left hand side, chat, okay? For the support. You need to find the support there. So this is the range we're currently in. Damn. This is the range. This is the range. Mm-hmm. Do. Right? Any more questions, chat? Oh, make sure you drop some likes today. Drop some likes, subs to the channel. Can I see 20 likes in the stream here today, gang? Drop some likes, gang. Drop some likes. Subs to the channel too. We're pushing heavy today, gang. We're pushing heavy. 1,997 pip now. We're pushing heavy. It's 9 minutes, chat, for candle to close. 9 minutes. 9 minutes. Chat, can I see 20 likes in the stream here? Like the stream, gang. I want to see 20 likes. Like the stream. Like and subs to the channel. Give me a second. Oh damn, we're still pushing down. No buenos yet. Oh, we're gonna feel the range. Holy. Holy. We're feeling the range slowly, huh? Boom, boom, boom. Tu-du-tu-tu-tu-tu. Dun, 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 dun. Tu-du-tu-tu-tu-tu. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, wow. Corrections. We might see the corrections. Weekly is about to flip. Sorry, the monthly is about to flip now. Hmm. Do you compute for the how much margin? Yep. It's still pushing down. Ooh, damn, we feel that. Holy. We feel the rage already. Wow. Mm. Stock market are pushing. Gold is dumping. Close full. Wow, Eric, how you doing? Eric, he's taking sell. Eric, you're taking sell. You're taking sell, Eric. 250 pips. Would you look at that? Would you look at that, Eric? Would you look at that, man? 3926. Wow, from 3926. Yeah, pre-break the lows, right? Right, re-break or close below the range. Wow, W Eric, congrats, man. Your bag are full today, man. Your bag are full. Yeah. See, look at that. Would you look at that, chat? 10 grand minimum. 10K minimum. 10K minimum. Da. W gang, W. We're still melting. Yeah, chat. Yeah, man. Right now, we need to stay steady. I'd say. London session. We have few last week, right? We have I'd say how many? Yeah, we have 3 trades last week. By next year, I'm gonna fix the journal. I'm gonna separate the journal for the day and the journal for the stream. So yeah. No news. Yeah, no news. I mean, W bro. No news. Tomorrow we have FOMC. I don't know if this gonna happen, but yeah, FOMC Thursday. No buenos. Friday. Oh, it's end of the month and November. Still we're not gonna see NFP. We're not gonna see NFP. Right? We feel the range. Do. Bum, 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 bum. Do-do-do-do. Hmm. Jai, if you have any question, just drop it in the chat, all right? Give me a second here. Ooh, we're still pushing down. The 4 hour will close no bottom wick chat. Damn. Let's see how this candle open up. No bottom wick on the 4. If this candle re-break the low, I might put the buy stop on the re-break of the high. You need to re-break the low right now. Re-broke it. Yeah, buy stop. Got some buys here, chat, on the rebroke of the high here again. Got some buys here. Got some buys here. Stop loss is gonna be below this candle low. Let's see, we're gonna move up. All right. Closing half of the position here at 20 pips, 23 pips, and 25 pips. Moving stops to break even right now as we plan. 30 pips, 33, 36, 42 pips, 49, 50. Closing full at 50 pips. Closing full at 50 pips, chat. Yeah, 50 pips. I closed full at 50. W. That was a nice trade, gang. Yeah, for our no bottom wick. So, bro, I mean, I'm gonna use 15. And we take the 15 entry. Break current candle high. Support. Buy. Gold. London. Doubles in the chat. Wow. Can you look at that? Would you look at that, chat? How many of you guys got the same trade? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. Yeah, I know it's against the trend, but the advantage here is the 4-hour no bottom wick closure. You need to grab liquidities and enable for you to push down even further. Believe me. The early candle close bearish, no bottom wick. That's the advantage. We rebroke the previous candle low. Taking buys on the rebreak of the current candle high. That's a good idea. Who got the same buys with me here, chat? No one? Okay. No one took buy here. Damn. Still pushing down heavy, huh? Holy. Damn, Goldie. Goldie. Explain the trade. So the trade is based on the 4 hour no bottom wick closure, right? And I wait for the candle to re-break the lows, and I enter a buy on the re-break of the current candle high. Yep, that's the advantage that I took on the candle. So yeah. Otherwise, I'm not gonna take buys, right? But the candle closed without any bottom wick. So that's why I took some buys. So yeah. Chat, I think I'm gonna call it the stream now. Thank you gang for tuning in to the live stream. I got some buys. I got 50 pips there in profit. And yeah, I believe too many of you guys got the same got some sales today. But yeah, tomorrow we're gonna come back tomorrow. Let's see, because the price action right now, I really want, I really want to take some sales today, but the price actions doesn't look good. We're just pushing to the downside, as you can see. No structure, no retracement. So we might see some retracement on the pre-NY, but let's see. Right? So yeah, man. Thank you again for tuning in to the live stream. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Love and wisdom to you all, chat. And yeah. Don't overtrade, don't over risk, gang. Peace and love, everybody.
So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie I ain't talking about the rich ones, cause every summer he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying, for me giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Kids gon' listen to, huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince do. If not for the pleasure, at least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible, now they know they invincible. Hey.